Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I'm in the kitchen again, and today I'm going to share with you my loaded baked mashed potato recipe. Very easy and very simple, so continue watching guys and join me in the kitchen and let's start cooking. So my potatoes are already peeled and washed, and now I'm cutting them into cube size, which the size doesn't really matter because I'm going to mash them. And I also have a pot of boiling water which I add a little bit of salt to. So once I'm done cutting my potatoes, I'm gonna add them to the boiling water and let them cook for roughly 15 minutes. So moving on to the ingredients, here I have some green onions which I'm going to chop finely. I'll be using some for garnish and I'll be using some to season the potato. So now it's time to test the potatoes to see if they are cooked, and yes, it is cooked. So I'm going to remove it from the heat, then I'm going to drain it off and set aside. Then I'm going to move on to my next ingredients. So here I have some bacon which I'm going to let it sit and allow it to properly dry. Then I'm going to fry it very dry and crispy. So in the meantime guys, I am going to add my ingredients to the potato. I'm going in with some butter, then I'm going to add some milk. I'm also going to add some heavy cream and some cheese. So just continue watching guys to see all the ingredients that I'm going to add to the potato to give it a nice taste, nice flavor, nice everything. So after adding all the seasonings, I'm going to set it aside for a while and move on to prepare the bacon, which I'm going to allow these bacons to fry very crispy. And in the meantime, I'm going to prepare the mashed potato for baking. So now it's a fun part for me. I'm going to layer the top with some Colby Jack shredded cheese, and I'm also going to add some of the finely chopped green onions, and I'm also going to add some Parmesan cheese, and last but not least, I'm going to add my bacon. As you can see, I'm now chopping them finely to add to the top of my potatoes. Then I'm going to, after I add the bacon to the top, I'm going to layer it again with some more cheese to hold the bacon in place. Then I'm going to put it in my preheated oven on 350 to bake for like 15 to 20 minutes guys. See how nice it is looking guys? Yes, so I'm going to top it off with some Parmesan cheese. Then like I said, I'm going to put it in the oven for roughly 15 to 20 minutes, guys. So just continue watching to see the end result. So this is the end result, guys. This is how it is looking. Very delicious, very tasty, very flavorful. So if you enjoy this recipe, leave a like, comment, share, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, please take this time to subscribe. So I am going to dig in right now. So I'm serving this with some baked mac and cheese, corn on the cob, broccoli, fried chicken, avocado, and some other veggies, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Peace out. Bye.